So the next thing that I've been looking at is trying to get a screen to basically fit alongside the globe, and the idea is that it would sit somewhere around here such that it's not a really weird angle that, you know, maybe makes the thing very bulky that way, or too vertical, in which case you'd have to like always have this on a high desk or bring yourself very low. So it just needs to be at a nice visual angle where you're still able to look at most of the globe and then check to see what the readout of the name of the radio station, and just to give good visual cues that everything's working. So I need to basically integrate that, and I think the next tricky bit will be hoping that the chap Don that I'm working with to do the code, hoping that this all works nicely and, as it were, talks properly to the Raspberry Pi. So that's where we are on the screen and the user interface. We'll see how that goes.